Ways to make your man want you. Once you know what to do, exciting a man is easy. To turn him on without falling flat, you should be sure, realize how to tease, and figure out how to be intense and provocative when you're kissing or advancing to the room. Assuming you need to realize how to turn your man on effectively, follow these simple safeguard steps. Don't forget to click the link below this video to learn more about the ways to make your man want you. 1. The unplanned touch. In the event that a man incidentally touches your rear or your bust, he really wants to recall the occasion and get stimulated by it. Assuming you need to allure him, ensure he unintentionally brushes past your body occasionally, be it while both of you embrace, while you get into the elevator, or while you direct something toward him. 2. The kissing murmur. Imagine like you have something intimate to tell him, and as you murmur something to him delicately, ensure your lips contact his ear a couple of times. This will cause him to feel weakly excited in a moment. 3. Arrange a sex moment. Monday is reasonable, the one evening of the week when the vast majority don't have any foregoing commitments. Why not plan it for yourself as well as your man? He will be eager for that time to come, and it's a date he won't neglect to be on schedule for. 4. Show determination in bed. Regardless of how huge or little you are, in the event that you are positive about your own skin, you will without a doubt function better. At the point when you let instabilities assume responsibility for your body, you will quite often rationalize in giving him a fun time. Men's most extravagant fantasy is to have a lady who is excited to be intimate with him regardless of the time or spot. Furthermore, assuming you figure out how to demonstrate your erotic ability with time, you will likewise cause him to disregard in any event, thinking about another lady. 5. Step up. Your man will see it truly hot assuming you choose to start to lead the pack and start things. Assuming he is typically the person who gets things rolling in the room, without referencing it to him ahead of time, trade the jobs and be the person who starts things every so often. It'll worth it. Don't forget to subscribe, like, share and comment. And to learn more about ways to make your man want you, click the link below this video.